Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Nokia G310 5G for Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, the Nokia G310 is worth taking a look at here. It is now available in a midnight blue color option, 128 gigabytes of storage. The phone is not currently in stock online. You might be able to go to a Metro store and get one. But when I'm recording this video right now, the phone is not in stock online. So, yeah, so that is the G310 right there. Very nice looking phone, minus the blue color, in my personal opinion. So anyways, y'all guys will have a teardrop notch for your front facing camera there. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. The left side of the phone will have a micro SD and SIM card slot somewhere on the left side, somewhere. On the back of the Nokia G310 is your triple camera system, camera flash, Nokia logo. Right side of the phone, power button, volume keys. So the Nokia G310 is $186. Does not matter if you're a new it doesn't matter if you're a new customer getting a new number, or if you're bringing your number over to Metro. It is $186. So no discounts on this phone, no discount. So not bad for a budget 5G smartphone. I think it's worth the price. So check it out if you guys are interested. Features: has a triple rear 50 megapixel camera with advanced Nokia camera UI, 8 megapixel front facing camera, 30 hours of talk time, 3 days of standby time. It has an 90 Hz refresh rate, LCD display, V9 display, 20:9 aspect ratio, 2.5D Golden Glass 3, and it has an HD plus display, which is 720x1612 pixel resolution there. Y'all also get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 plus 5G processor, up to 3 days of battery life, 128 gigabytes of storage. You also get Golden Glass 3 sturdy aluminum frame, pre-installed Android 13 on board, which is very nice. It says a Nokia G310 5G promises a 5G smartphone experience that compromises on nothing. Its stylish Nordic design and enhanced durability withstands all of life's bumps, while the Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 plus 5G mobile platform and up to 3 days of battery life gives you the speed and high power performance to let you do what you love for longer. Create professional quality photos and videos thanks to the triple rear 50 megapixel camera with AI enhancements and the Kia OZO audio for true to life audio capture and playback sound on the large 6.6 inch HD plus display. With 128 gigabytes of storage plus virtual memory expansion, there's room enough for everything on the Nokia G310. Plus our quick fix design and partnership with iFixit gives you the power to DIY your phone repairs, making it perfect for the budget savvy who wants their device to last longer. So that is pretty cool. So it has the quick fix design. So basically, if you guys need to repair your phone, you can do that by yourself. So that is a win. Specs: it has a 5,000 mAh battery, it has Type-C charging port, headphone jack, of course, which is very nice to see. You'll also get NFC. So Google Pay is supported on this phone here. Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN, AC. Snapdragon 480 plus 5G processor, octa-core chipset. Android 13, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte of memory expansion, so take advantage of that. It has 4G, LTE, 5G, of course, supported email platforms. Hearing aid compatibility, wireless emergency alerts. It has mobile hotspot frequencies. The Nokia G310 weighs 6.81 ounces. Dimensions: 6.5 inches height, 2.98 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. Alright, so not bad there. So what comes in the box is your Nokia G310 smartphone, some ejection pin, quick start guide, safety booklet, Type-C to Type-C charging cable. I doubt it comes with a charger, so you'll have to provide a Type-C charging brick. So send itself in the box there. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Nokia G310 is now here at Metro. So if you guys are looking to get a budget-friendly smartphone, the Nokia G310 is worth taking a look at. It has great specs and features for what it is. Not bad for a sub $200 smartphone. Worth checking out here. My favorite feature about the phone, it has the quick fix design. So if you guys ever have to repair your phone, you can do that DIY. So that is pretty cool. So check it out. It's worth checking out here. The only thing I don't like about the phone personally is the color. The only thing I don't like about the phone personally is the color of the phone. But that's just my personal opinion. You guys might like the color, and that's fine. That's your personal opinion. So, but besides that, the phone looks great. Has great specs and features and whatnot. So definitely worth checking out here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.